Piolo Pascual at Casey Concepcion. Patuloy na iniintriga ang di umano'y namumuong relasyon. Megastar Sharon Cuneta, may matinding buwelta. Unang bahagi pa lang ng Hulyo, pumutok na ang intrigang nag-uugnay kay Casey Concepcion at kay Inigo, ang 13 taong gulang na anak ng naliling kay Casey na si Piolo Pascual. Ang pinagmula ng kontrobersiya, mga pahayag di umano ni Inigo sa kanyang Twitter account tungkol sa personal niyang damdamin kay Casey. Ayon sa mga write-ups, galit daw si Inigo kay Casey at ayaw niyang actress host para sa kanyang ama. Ayon pa sa ibang report, nag-post pa di umano si Inigo ng video sa YouTube kung saan lantaran nitong ipinahayag ang pag-ayaw kay Casey. Sa paglabas ng iba't ibang video at espekulasyon tungkol sa kontrobersiyang ito, isang malalatag. Megastar Sharon Cuneta, di na napigilang ipagtanggol ang kanyang anak laban sa lumalalang intriga.
I think ang bata, hindi mo masisisi. Ang alam ko matagal na hiwalay si Piolo at yung mother ng bata. Alam mo, ayoko na mag-comment sa kanila dahil hindi ko alam yung pagpalaki. So, sabihin ko na lang yung palaki ko sa anak ko. Pero wala namang ginawa si Jenny sa akin. Hindi naman siya yung nakihalo nung kasal pa kami ni Gabi noon. I specifically told her, dahil pupunta siya for the first time sa bahay ng papa niya nung kasal ang papa ni Jenny. Sabi ko, when you get there, I want you to be respectful. And I was so proud, I wasn't expecting it. Jenny wrote her a letter after that day, saying she was so happy to have met Casey and to have seen that she was raised wonderfully, that she had no bitterness. Ayokong lumaki kasing anak ko na galit sa mundo. So I don't think you can put all the blame on someone who has just turned teenager. So nasa siguro environment, yun na lang masasabi ko. Pero I think also kahit sino yung babae na relate sa papa niya, ganun din naman siguro sasabihin.
Hindi naman itinanggi ni Sharon na apektado siya sa masasamang write-ups tungkol kay Casey.
Unfair, it hurts us kasi decenteng bata si Casey. At saka hindi talaga sila official manipulate. Hindi sila official, pero matagal na sila nakikita. Pero sana tanta na nila ang anak ko.
Kaya ang gustong ipabot ng megastar sa mga patuloy na naninira kay Casey.
Nanay din ako. So, anak ko si Casey. Sarili ko, pag nasasaktan, pwede akong tumahimik. Pero pag sumobra na siguro, parang leon na nanay, di ba? Protective ka sa cubs mo. Wala na magle-leon pa kesa sa akin.
Sa kabila nito, aminado naman si Sharon na positibo ang epekto ng ugnayan ni na Casey at Piolo. Pero ang hinihingi lang niya ang magsalita at klaruhin ni Piolo ang lumalaking issue.
Hindi ko pa nga nakikita si Piolo. Actually, ito request ko, PJ. Naghihintay. Right now at this moment, hindi ko alam kung meron na siyang nasabi. And I'm waiting to see and to hear what Piolo will have to say about it. Alam kong mahirap mapagitna. Pero unfair din naman sa anak ko na wala namang ginagawa kahit kanina. Pero alam kong magkasundo sila. Tsaka, oo. Tsaka si Casey is a very sweet person.
At ngayon, bilang tugon sa mga matatapang na pahayag ng megastar, Piolo Pascual, sumagot na ang kanyang official statement tungkol sa issue sa isang uncensored exclusive.
I'm really sorry for whatever pain or hurt we've caused anybody. Because of the things that have been said about other people, I had to make sure I got the right info as to who was spreading the text messages or tweeting using my son's name. Firstly, my son doesn't have a Twitter account. His Facebook has been hacked. He never texted anybody to malign Christina. He also receives prank calls from different people even while in the States. He has told me that there are people harassing him and using his name to harass other people as well through internet. Whoever is using my son's name to ruin relationships, please refrain from doing so or we may seek legal counsel. My son is still a minor and private individual. I'd like to apologize to Christina and her family. Thank you for standing by me through this situation. I appreciate your support and maturity in handling this matter. Again, my apologies.
Sari-saring espekulasyon at iba't ibang opinyon dahil sa parehong sitwasyon ng magulang at anak na sina Sharon at Casey at Piolo at Inigo. Para sa inyo, paano nga ba dapat ipauunawa sa mga bata ang bagong buhay ng kanilang mga magulang matapos ang hiwalayan? At pagdating sa paninindigan para sa pag-ibig, hanggang saan ang dapat mong gawin para maging maayos ang lahat ng gusot? Ang second.
Talagang sa'yo nakapo.
Can I just say, this must be very difficult
Okay.
kasi parang si Casey's in the eye of the storm, di ba? Parang kahit
Yes.
anong sabihin mo, hindi mo alam kung saan ka lulugar, di ba? Like, whatever you say, it might be taken against you. But I just want you to know, kami, we love you and
We're here for you.
We're here for you, Casey.
Yes, nandito kami for you. No, Tito Boy, alam mo kanina while I was watching the VTR, sabi ko kay Casey, first time kong makita si Miss Sharon Cuneta na magbigay ng ganong pahayag. First time ko siyang marinig. So it really means na she's really defending her daughter. And I think
Without having to malign, without having to bash anyone.
Yes.
Napakaganda ng point ni Shawi nung sinabi niya, remember this is a boy. I mean, this is before the explanation of PJ. We were assuming that there was a tweet or a text, no? Yung sinasabing, kati-teenager pa lamang nito. And she was trying to explain na it has something to do with the environment. But agree ako kay Shawi before the statement of Piolo that we needed to hear the voice of Piolo.
Yes.
At naliwanagan naman tayo with that statement.
And that was very, very brave of Piolo to do so. And of course, I think I would do the same as a mom. You would stick up and say anything for your child. Kung pwede mo mga labanan lahat ng battles para sa anak mo, gagawin mo talaga. But there's a certain leeway that we try to give our children so they can also learn and experience life for themselves.
Lalo na yung karanasan niya kay Jenny Sikia when you went to the house of Jenny and your papa, and that yung habilin niya sa'yo, and then she wrote a note to say thank you, you know. It's very difficult, lalo na mula sa isang ina na pinalaking disente ang kanyang anak. I mean, we want to hear your voice, Christina.